قولي. Today I would like to talk about Bibi Fatimah, the Lady of the Light. She was born in the holy city of Makkah on 20th Jamadi Thani, 5th year of Ba'ath. She had many titles. Some of her titles are Muhadditha, means the one other than the Prophet who the angel spoke to. Tahira means the pure one. Al-Mubarakah means the blessed one. Siddiqa means the honest. And Bijatul Rasul means a part of Holy Prophet. Her mother Bibi Khadija and her father Prophet Muhammad of Islam. After the death of her mother Bibi Khadija, Bibi Fatimah took care of her father so well that he used to call her Abiha, which means the mother of father. It was the hardest time for the family because in that year, Bibi Khadija and Hazrat Abu Talib also passed away. This year it was known as Amul Huzn, the year of sorrow. After 1 year of migration from Makkah to Medina, Holy Prophet began to receive proposals for Bibi Fatimah's marriage. He politely refused to accept by simply saying that it is in the hands of Allah. Bibi Fatimah was the model of Prophet's teaching among women, just as Imam Ali was the best among men. They were the most suitable couple to be married, but Imam Ali was too modest to speak about it. After getting persuasion from some friends, he finally went to the Prophet in the mosque and proposed for marriage. Holy Prophet told Bibi Fatimah about it and asked her whether she would approve. After getting her consent, the marriage took place in the simplest possible manner on 1st Zilhajj 2AH. The marriage was solemnized by the Prophet himself. Bibi Fatimah had 5 children named Imam Hassan, Imam Husayn, Bibi Zainab, Kulthum and Janab Mohsin. It was in the same house where Ayat Tathir was revealed. It is mentioned in Surah Ahzab, verse 33. إنما يريد الله ليذهب عنكم الرجس أهل البيت ويطهركم تطهيرا. Allah only intends to keep the causes of evil away from you and purify you completely, O members of Prophet's family. And its narration by Bibi Fatimah has become so famous that it is read in every house as Hadith-e-Qissa. The reading of this verse brings blessings to the household. Bibi Fatimah's family fasted for 3 days continuously without eating any food and gave their iftari to an orphan, a prisoner and a beggar who arrived at their door and asked for food. The verse of Surah Dahr was revealed in praise of the extremely charitable act in the way of Allah. It was in the same house where every morning Holy Prophet stood outside and said loudly, Assalamu alaikum ya ahli bayt an-nabuwa. Peace and blessings on the people of household of Nabi. There was so much respect in the heart of Prophet for Bibi Fatimah that whenever she arrived at the Prophet's mosque, he stood up to respect her. This gesture was also to show the companions respect for women generally, which was lacking in the Arabian society of the day. I would like to end my speech with the Prophet's hadith. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم فاطمة بزءة مني فمن أغضبها أغضبني. Holy Prophet صلى الله عليه وسلم said, Bibi Fatimah is a part of me. Whoever makes her angry makes me angry. Salawat.